In my quest to find healthy meals in minutes, I kind of came up with this fun idea. You know those lettuce cups that you can get at a lot of restaurants as an appetizer and they're really oily and salty? Well, here is a healthy version of them. These little spicy chickpea lettuce wraps with peanut butter dressing. Yum. Okay, so you basically take those little lettuce cups and you can get them already like this, or you can just get a whole head of lettuce. And we're gonna scoop in some chickpeas. You could also roast the chickpeas if you wanted some added flavor, but I love raw chickpeas. Well, these are cooked, but I don't like them plain on their own. And then I'm just gonna take some cabbage. I just got a cabbage blend, so you get kind of the crunchy factor in there. And then I'm gonna drizzle some of this peanut butter dressing on top. Ooh, it's all about the dressing. Remember that the sauce, the vegetables are just the delivery system for the sauce. Now you can eat it just as is, but if you're like me and you like a little bit extra spicy, bring on the Sriracha. I mean, just a little bit more Sriracha. I like it super spicy, oops. And then you just wrap it up and eat, just like that. So you could plate a whole bunch of them and enjoy. Let me know what you think.